For lesson 75, we're getting back into the geometry world, and we're looking at a particular polygon today, and that polygon being the trapezoid. So the main focus for this lesson is just figuring out how to find the area of that trapezoid. If we review a little bit, recall a trapezoid can be viewed a number of different ways. We classify that four-sided polygon to be a trapezoid when we have opposite sides that are parallel to one another and just one pair. Another way you can view a trapezoid, they may give you a right angled trapezoid, which is perfectly fine. We still have our two parallel sides opposite to one another. Another way is if we flip this upside down, and while my drawing may not be perfect, those two, the top and bottom sides, are also parallel to each other. So a number of different ways that you can view a trapezoid. Biggest thing we need to know is that a trapezoid has one pair of parallel sides. If we look at the formula to find the area of that trapezoid, it is 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So three different variables, three different values that we have to plug into our formula to be able to find the volume of it, or the area of it. If we want to find the area of this trapezoid, step number one when working with formulas, copy the formula down. A is equal to 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So let's go ahead and identify our bases. Understand the bases are the sides that are parallel to one another. In this case, the top and the bottom are parallel. So base 1 and base 2 can be 8 and 24. Obviously, you can switch the orders of those. You could say that base 1 was 24 and base 2 was 8. It's not going to matter either way. And then the height, recall, anytime we find the height of a polygon, that dimension has to be perpendicular to the base. Therefore, our height is going to be 12. So it's a formula just like any other formula that we've used. It's a little bit different at this point. Now we just go ahead and simplify. 24 and 8, we come up with 32, and 12. Half of 32 is 16, and 16 times 12. We come up with 192. Feet is our label, our units, and its area, therefore feet squared. If we take a look at example 2, we want to find the area of this trapezoid. Once again, it is a trapezoid. It looks like it's a right trapezoid. That's okay. Once again, area is equal to 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Area is equal to 1/2 is our constant. Base 1, let's make that 18 this time. 12 is the other base. Height is 8. Area is equal to 1/2. 18 and 12 will get us 30. Half of 30 is 15. So 15 times 8, we come up with 120 centimeters squared. And that's really it for lesson 75. We're just focusing on finding the area of that trapezoid. Practice set problems that you need to work on are B and C. Good luck.